Basta ang bottom line itong message ko for tonight is I would like to thank everybody for the effort. Hindi tayo magiging best battalion, not only for the accolades and the awards na receive natin, but yung samahan na impress natin. Sana kung saan natin sayangin yung magandang samahan na na-establish natin dito. No? Maganda na yung samahan before, pero nung umuha ko, mas lalo pa natin pinagtibay yung lahat ng samahan natin. So thank you so much sa lahat from the private, PFC, corporal, lahat ng branch.
So sa ating energetic, handsome, tagalang-galang na ating mahal na batalyong commander ng Kaugnayan Batalyon. Happy birthday po sir, from the bottom of my heart.
On behalf of the illicit corps of the Kaugnayan Batalyon, sir, nais po namin kayong batiin ng isang happy birthday.